Hey, what's up guys, Madar Truga Development. Today I'm removing dry grout from slate tile. What makes that difficult is that slate tile, of course, has the texture, or what I call veins. And sometimes the grout dries into those veins and it becomes almost impossible to remove. I think I figured out how to do it, so let me show you. Okay guys, so at first glance you're looking at this slate and it looks great. Well, the problem is when you get closer to it and you see that there is this grout in the veins. Now this might not be too bad, but then you walk around and you get this. And that's a lot more. And then this here. All right. So I'm going to show you what worked for me in removing that. Okay guys, here's what I got. I've got this drill brush that I think I got from Walmart, okay? And I have a hand one too. I have no idea where I got this from. And the idea is to not to use anything that is abrasive. You do not want to harm the tile. So this stuff is kind of like that. Okay, so I don't know how else to describe it. And this is what it looks like. Okay, same thing. You know, I suppose if it doesn't hurt your skin, I guess it's good to use. I don't know. But like with anything like this, you want to use in a hidden spot first to see if it's going to work for you, like a closet or somewhere. And of course, a drill. This is really just a backup. I'm mostly going to be using this guy on the drill. I also have a combination of hot water, like, you know, not boiling hot, and sugar. I read that somewhere online, and honestly, I don't know if that's working or not, but, you know, what the heck, we all have sugar, and honestly, I just eyed it. I put a couple of tablespoons to, I don't know, this is about maybe a quart of water. And then I have another clean bucket with a sponge just to clean the floor once I get the grout off of the veins. And I have my heat gun here just to demonstrate how it's going to look once it's dry. Okay, guys, so I'm gonna attempt this. By the way, I didn't explain why I use this guy. So the idea is if you have big clumps of grout, and I'll show you, you can take them up with this. So you dip this into your mixture, and for example, if you have that big one right there, you can just kind of take it up with just this, the wood, a piece of wood. And that comes up just like that. So this is the easy stuff. It's this that sucks. So let's see. Hopefully I can get it up with this. I already did one before and I think it worked okay. So let's check it out. So with anything that requires liquid treatment, you want to let it soak in there for, you know, I'm really never patient enough to let it soak as long as it should. I'm gonna say at least 30 seconds. That's probably not enough. And this mixture is now really getting cool too. So it's better to have hot water. But anyways, I'll let that sit for a little bit. Let's check it out. So I'm gonna apply medium pressure. We'll see what that does. And I'll come in at an angle like this, obviously to get into the vein. I mean, try different angles to really try to get in there. So you can go like this or that. I think it's getting dry. I see stuff, but see that? So the grout is coming up. We just gotta keep it wet. There you go. See that? All that grout is coming up. Soak it again. Let me clean this up too, so I'm not pushing that stuff back in there. All right, this one is almost done. There's just a little bit left in there. Okay guys, I think I got it. There you go. I have a speck, and this is really me doing a close-up to this. If I step right back, you can't even see it. There you go, guys. I hope you find this helpful. I'm sure you don't want to see me clean this whole floor. I don't want to see me clean this whole floor. It's a tedious process, but unfortunately, it has to be done before you seal your floor. Hopefully, it's one and done again. And make sure to seal any natural floor that you have so you don't have this stuff going on in the future. Guys, if you like the video, please give me a like. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and I'll be more than happy to address. Thanks. See you on the next one.